What is up, guys? It's your boy Rex and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a secret method to go and make money very fast on Clickbank using a secret free software that I'm going to show you guys in this video right here. All you're going to do is you're going to follow what I'm going to show you guys step by step to the end. Are you going to take action what I'm going to show you guys in this video? You can go and earn a lot of money on Clickbank using a secret free software that I'm going to be showing guys in this video right here. So anybody can go and do this and start making some sales like this as soon as you're using the 100% free method and the free software that I'm going to show guys in this video. If you're going to actually watch to the end and take action on what I'm going to show guys in this video, so be sure to watch step by step till the end. The method I'm going to show you guys in this video right here, you don't need any website at all. I don't need any money at all to go and get started. What I'm going to show you guys and start getting results and getting a lot of targeted free traffic by hijacking top quality traffic and also using a free software. So what I'm going to show you guys in this video, you can make up to $1,000 plus very fast on Clickbank with zero money. I'm going to show you guys a secret software that I've never shared. I'm going to show you guys how to go and use it step by step and make money with it without actually paying any money for that secret software. I'm going to show you guys how to go and get easy traffic so you can go and make a lot of sales with this method right here and get a lot of very targeted traffic. And the method I'm going to show you guys in this video is also newbie friendly. If you're just getting started to make money online or on Clickbank, you can go and follow what I'm going to show you guys in this video, implement it with the free software and start making some money. And this method is very simple and it's a copy and paste method, easy to implement. So this is a 100% working method. If you're going to go and follow what I'm going to show you guys in this video, you're going to guarantee to make your first sales very fast with this free software and this free traffic method right here. So be sure to watch step by step to the end because I'm going to show you guys how to go and properly implement this software to get a lot of targeted free traffic and actually make a lot of money. And many people are using this method already to go and make a lot of money online. So be sure to watch step by step so you can go and actually take advantage of this new opportunity right now. This and start making some money right now on Clickbank for 100% free. So that's it. If you're new to the channel, just subscribe to the channel so you're going to get notified that post new videos that can help you guys start making some extra money online. So I post new videos on how to make money on Clickbank, Digital 24, Water Plus, and some general make money online methods. So most of the methods I share are all 100% free to go and get started. Like the method I'm going to show you guys in this video right here is 100% free to go and get started. If you're going to take action, you can go and make some money. What I recommend is that you can go and get started with these free methods. When you make money with the free methods, go and take the money and invest back on paid traffic methods, for example, Bing Ads, Google Ads, so you can go and make a little more money consistently on Clickbank. So if you want to make a first sale on Clickbank, be sure to watch this video step by step to the end, take action on the method. I can go and make a first sale with this method right here. So that's it. Also want to learn my most recommended method to make money online, be sure to click the first link in the description. You can go and get my most recommended method to start making some extra money very fast online using both paid and free traffic methods. So that's it, guys. So let's get into this video. Let me show you guys this free software and the exact method to go and use and get a lot of targeted free traffic and actually start making some sales with this brand new method right here. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay, guys, so let's get into the method. Let me show you guys exactly what we're going to do and earn a lot of money. So pay very close attention right here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to affiliate marketplace. You're going to look for a high quality product that's selling very well, has a very good conversion rate, and also has a very high gravity. Once you go to the marketplace, you're going to go and sort by gravity. Click on gravity. You're going to see the top selling products on the marketplace from here, which means that many affiliates are promoting these offers and are actually converting very well. You're going to choose one of these offers to go and promote it with this free traffic method I'm going to show you guys right here. I can go and use it and actually earn a lot of money. So I'm going to choose one affiliate offer from here that's actually converting very well. We're going to drive a lot of targeted free traffic to it, and we're going to make money from here. So let me just choose one affiliate offer from here. So let me check this one. For example, you can see this one, CarboFix. So it is a product on the affiliate marketplace. You can see right here, the graphics is at up to 287, which means it's actually selling very well. You're going to get paid up to $111 per sale. So you need only one sale of this to go and make up to $100 plus per day. I want to make, for example, $1,000 plus per day. You need only around 10 sales to go and promote this offer right here. I can see right here, the product also has very low refunds. You can see right here. So that's actually very important because you don't want to go and promote a product that has very high refunds, because you can go and make a lot of sales and have refunds on your product. So let's go and check out the sales page of the offer. So let's go to the sales page of the offer right here. You can see here how to turn on your metabolism in 3 seconds to burn stubborn fat like crazy. So this is a weight loss offer, and I know that many weight loss offers actually convert very well, and they convert all year round. So these are mostly evergreen products right here. You can see right here, it's actually a very long sales page right here. And the product actually converts very well, which means that this sales page actually converts very well. So it means that if you bring people to this sales page that are interested in losing weight, most of them are going to actually buy this affiliate offer right here. So you scroll at the bottom, you're going to see this is actually a physical product. You can see a physical product tends to convert very well and also have very low refund rates because they're going to be shipped directly to the customer's address, and it's going to be a physical product, and it's harder to go and refund than digital products. So I'm going to promote this offer right here with 100% free traffic. I'm just going to show you guys what you're going to do from here to get a lot of targeted free traffic and actually earn a lot of money. So firstly, the first thing you want to do is you want to go and look for a high quality article that you can go and use and promote this affiliate offer. So since this is a weight loss article, I'm going to go and look for weight loss articles on Google. So I'm just going to go to Google. You can see right here, just have example how to lose weight in 7 weeks. You can see right here, there's a lot of high quality articles from very high authority websites. For example, you can see the website is called livestrong.com, and it's a very high authority website. So many people have actually visited this website, and many people actually trust this website, livestrong.com. If you scroll down, you're going to see other websites. For example, you can see this one, womenshealthmark.com. If you scroll down, you're going to find a lot of other very high quality and very high authority websites. For example, you can see this one is called healthline.com. So you can go and use these articles right here and actually use it to promote your affiliate offer because these are already high authority and trusted websites. So let me just open one of these for example. So let's say for example I want to go and use this one, livestrong.com. How much weight can I lose in 7 weeks? So let me just open this. I can go and use this article right here for this example to go and promote our affiliate offer. So pay very close attention right here. So let's go and check out the article. So this article on livestrong.com. And many people have visited this website already trust this website because this is a very high quality and this is a very high authority website. So you can see right here, it's a very simple article right here. What you can do is I can go and use this article to go and promote our affiliate offer. I can go and use another article from any of these top high quality websites right here. So for this example, we're going to use this article on livestrong.com to go and promote our affiliate offer right here. So let me show you guys what they're going to do next. You're going to go to a website called linkhero.com. You can see a website. This is the URL of the website right here, linkhero.com. And it's a website I can go and use for 100% free to go and hijack a lot of authority traffic and send it back to your own affiliate offer, as I'm going to show you guys in this video right here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to a website called linkhero.com. So this is a website. Once you go to the website, you're going to sign up for a free account. So you don't have to go and pay to go and sign up for this website, because right here, sign up today, no credit card required. You click, for example, on the pricing. You're going to say this is a free plan right here. You can see right here, this is a free plan. You're going to click on get started right here, and you're going to sign up for a free plan to go and use this software right here for 100% free. So you don't have to go and pay to go and actually use this particular software right here. Once I sign up for a free account and log into your account, so let me show you guys what you're going to do next from here. So let me just go, let me just log into my own account right here, and let me show you guys how to go and customize these links right here and hijack a lot of high quality traffic and promote your affiliate offers very easily for 100% free. So as right here, this is inside my dashboard right here. Once you log inside your dashboard, you can go and create simple campaigns on this particular website. The first thing you want to go and do from here is you're going to go and see right here, you're going to see call to action. So click on this call to action. You're going to create a simple call to action right here. So it's going to bring you to the next page. You can see right here, you're going to click on this create call to action. So click on this. You're going to create a very simple call to action right here. I'm going to show you guys how to go and do this and actually promote your offer very easily. So for your call to action name, you can just go and write, for example, lose weight. So it doesn't matter, you can go and write any name from here. And for the call to action type, you're going to select from here. You can go and choose, for example, scroll box, pop-up, or banner. So you're going to choose any of this one. If I choose this one, for example, you're going to see how it's going to actually look like on that article. So if I choose this one right here, pop-up, it's going to be a pop-up on that article that we're going to use right here on this particular website right here. So I'm going to choose one from here. So you have, for example, banner. It's going to be a banner right here. So the best one that I prefer is this one right here, the scroll box. So you can see right here. So people can go and scroll on that website, and this banner is going to be showing right here. So you can go and choose any of these call to actions right here. What you're going to do next, they're going to input your headline. So it's your headline, and this is going to be your call to action. So pay very close attention right here. You can go and write a simple headline from here. So let me just go back to our sales page, for example. how to turn on your metabolism in 3 seconds to burn fat like crazy. You can go and use this headline right here. So since we're promoting this right here on Livestrong, and Livestrong is a very high quality and it's a very authority website, what you can do is I can just go and customize this headline to go and meet Livestrong. So for this headline right here, you can say if you change the headline, it's going to actually change right here. So I'm just going to write, for example, Livestrong recommended, Livestrong. So I'm just going to leave it like this, Livestrong. So that's going to be my headline right here. So I'm going to leave it like this, Livestrong recommended with loss. So people that are going to be reading this article, they're going to see that pop up and they're going to think that this particular website that's actually promoting that affiliate offer, and that's going to go and increase our conversions very highly. So pay close attention, because I'm going to show you guys how to go and join this website Livestrong to this website right here, Linkiro, to go and actually generate a lot of targeted free traffic and actually make a lot of money. So what you're going to start doing is I can go and write a simple message from here. So let me just go, for example, a sales page. Let me just copy this headline. I can just go and use it as my message. So let me just paste it right here. So let me just delete this and just paste it right here. You can see right here, this is how it's going to look like right here. What I can do is I can go and add a lot more details from here. So let me just copy some from here. Let me just copy this. I'm just going to input it right here as my message. And as you guys can see right here, it's going to show right here as a call to action. So for the call to action button, you can just go and read, for example, you can just go and leave, for example, click me now. But you can go and customize this. You can see if you customize from here, it's going to show right here. So I'm just going to leave right here, click me now as the default one right here. And what it's going to do for me next, they're going to input a link back to your ClickBank affiliate offer from here. So this is going to be your affiliate link. You're going to go back to your affiliate marketplace. You're going to click on promote. You're going to get your affiliate link from here. I'm going to input it on that Linkiro website. I'm going to show you guys how to go and do this all very easily. So pay close attention right here. What I can do from this, I can go and input your affiliate ID. So let me input my affiliate ID from here. I can go and choose, for example, a default sales page. You can go and use, for example, a video sales selector. I'm just going to use the default for this example and click on generate hub links. And as guys, I'm just going to go and copy this. You're going to go back to Linkiro. You're going to delete this example.com. You're going to paste your own affiliate link right here. So anybody that's going to click on this link, they're going to go back to your own affiliate offer right here. So what you're going to do next, they're going to go and customize any of these colors from here. You can see right here, you can go and change these colors. I can go and customize this very easily. You can see right here, it's very easy to go and customize this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave it like this for this example. So I'm just leave at this color right here. I'm just going to leave this as my example color. So I'm just leave it as blue. And as you guys can also go and change the text color as well. So I'm just going to leave it like this as the default. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on save call to action. And that's going to be your call to action right here. What I can do as well is I can also go and change the image right here. You can see the image. So let me just go back right here. So let me just click back on customize. So you can just go and click right here on edit call to action. I can go and edit my call to action right here very easily. So you can see right here, what I can do from here is I can also go and change this image right here and can go and input, for example, a weight loss image right here. So let me just go and upload an image right here that's going to go and show on this pop-up. So let me just scroll down. You can see right here, add a display image. So let me just click on add a display image. I'm just going to upload a random weight loss image right here. So let me just click on add a display image. And as you guys can see right here, I just went and downloaded a weight loss image. For example, someone that is fit. I can see I've just uploaded that image right here, and you can see this has going to actually look like. I'm just going to click on save call to action. And that's guys, my call to action is saved from here. So once I've created a call to action, what you're going to do next is you're going to go back to your dashboard. So click on dashboard. And next you're going to create a link from that article right here on Livestrong. So you can see right here, this is my dashboard right here. What you're going to do next is they're going to go right here to Livestrong. Once you go back to that Livestrong article, you can see right here. So you're just going to copy the URL. So copy the URL. You're going to input it back on linkiro.com. Once you go to your dashboard, you can see right here, paste your link right here. So you're going to paste your destination link, and this is going to be your article link that you found on this authority website right here. So I'm just going to paste it right here and click on add link. And that's guys going to create a very simple call to action link on that article right here. So it's going to take me to the next page. I'm going to select our call to action that we just created. So right here, this is the article right here, Livestrong article. I can start here. We can go and choose our call to action from here. So this we're going to go and choose the call to action that we just created. What you're going to do is you're going to click right here. So you're going to click on this drop down arrow. I can start here. This is the name of our call to action that we just created. So click on this, and that's guys going to show how our call to action is going to actually show on that website. You can start here. Anybody that's going to visit this website, as they are reading this article on this website, they're going to go and see our article right here. They're going to see our call to action right here as they're scrolling on that website. And if they click on this link, they're going to take them straight back to our affiliate offer. Once you have seen your call to action, you can just go and leave all of this as blank. You can just go and leave all of this as blank and just go and click on Save Smart Link. And it's also going to give you a link that you can go and use and actually promote this offer very easily. So you can see right here, this is a link. So just copy this link. And this is a link you're going to drive a lot of targeted free traffic to and actually make a lot of money, because people that are going to be visiting this particular link and going to the website on livestrong.com, they're going to see that this particular offer is being recommended by Livestrong, and that can actually go and increase your conversions very highly. So let me just go to a new incognito tab. Let me just paste this link right here and let me show you guys how it's going to actually look like. So let me just paste the link, paste and go. You're going to see that it's going to look the Livestrong article, but it's going to actually have our pop-up right there, and you're also going to go and have a link back to our affiliate offer. So it's a very easy method you can go and actually promote your affiliate offer and make some money very easily. Consider here. So consider here, guys. So this is our article right here. So this is the article. You can see this is a pop-up right here. So some can see Livestrong recommended weight loss method. You can see if anybody click on this link, it's going to take them straight back to our affiliate offer on ClickBank. And if they buy from here, we're going to actually make a lot of money. So we're going to hijack a lot of authority from this trusted website to go and actually promote our affiliate offers and make some money. So I say here, when somebody click on this, it's going to go and actually open in a new tab, so they can go and click on this right here multiple times right here, and they're going to see right here that's being recommended by Livestrong, and this is going to increase our conversions very highly, guys. So it's an easy way to go and actually promote your affiliate offer. What you're going to do next is you can just go and share this link right here all over the internet. Two people are already interested in losing weight, and many people are going to click and they're going to say this website right here is livestrong.com, and many people already trust this website, and many people are more likely to go and click on this right here and go and buy an affiliate offer, because you can see right here it says right here recommended by Livestrong, but this is actually our own affiliate offer, and it's going to help us to go and convert a lot faster and a lot easier right here. So let me show you guys some free traffic sources they can go and use and actually promote your affiliate offer very easily and actually start getting some free traffic and making some money from this exact method right here. One of the best methods to go and use and actually promote this affiliate link right here is that I can go, for example, to the website is called ready.com. You can go to ready.com. I can go and find a lot of different groups. I can go and share your weight loss posts right here to people on Reddit that are already interested in losing weight. I can go and actually share your links onto different groups and actually get a lot of targeted traffic and start getting some sales, as they're going to see that the article is from a very high authority website like livestrong.com. Once you go, for example, to Reddit, what you can do is you can just go and type example fitness, and click on search. You're going to find a lot of fitness and weight loss communities on this website. Once you type, for example, fitness, click on communities and users. It's going to show you a lot of different groups that can go and actually share links and actually get a lot of free traffic. You can see this one, fitness has up to 8 million members. You can see nutrition, body weight loss, body weight fitness. You can see this one, there's a lot of weight loss type of groups on Reddit. What I can do is I can just go and join all these different groups right here. I can go and actually share this free article that they're going to go and actually find a lot of value in this article, and they're also going to go and see your affiliate offer as a recommendation on that website, and many of them are more likely to go and actually buy your affiliate offer, and you're going to go and get a lot of conversions using this free software that I'm showing guys in this video right here. Once you go to any of these communities like this one right here, you can see right here that's up to 182,000 members. You can see up to 200 people are online right now, and many people in this type of groups are actually interested in losing weight. You can just go and click on create post, and as you guys can go and create a simple post, you can just go and paste your link on that website. People can go and read that article and go back to your affiliate offer. You can see right here, you can go and click on link. You can just go and paste your link right here and share your link very easily on this website right here. So that's guys, can go and write a simple title and just share it on this website. So let me show you guys another website you can go and use and actually get a lot of free traffic is by using Facebook groups, guys. You can just go, for example, Facebook and type, for example, weight loss, and just go to groups. You can go and join a lot of these different groups. I can go and provide value on those different groups, because you're not going to be pasting your affiliate link directly, because if you paste your affiliate link directly, you are going to be banned from these different groups right here. What they're going to do is they're going to provide value, and people can go and read that article on livestrong.com, and it's not going to be considered as spamming, and they can go and click and go back to your affiliate offer and buy your affiliate offer from here. So there are thousands of these different groups that post a lot of content every day. You can go and join them as well and actually promote your affiliate offers and make a lot of money. You can see right here, this one's up to 300,000 members, 11,000 members, 10,000 members. You can go and post helpful posts in these different groups and actually make a lot of money from these Facebook groups right here. One of the last method I'm going to show you guys that can go and use to actually make money from this method is that you can go, for example, to weight loss forums. You can go and type, for example, weight loss forum on Google. You're going to find a lot of free weight loss forums that can go and join and provide value and share your links on those different weight loss forums. I can go and send people back to your affiliate offer using this simple software method I've shown you guys. And it's still going to go and get a lot of conversions, because people that are going to be reading that article are already interested in losing weight, and if they go and see that there is being recommended, for example, by Livestrong, also using this free software right here, maybe they're going to be more likely to go and click and go back to our affiliate offer and actually buy our affiliate offer, because that is coming from a trusted website like Livestrong or Healthline.com. So that's it. So if you found this video, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, so I continue to make these videos that can help you guys start making some extra money online. So be sure to share this video, guys, so that others can go and benefit from this method as well. Use it and start making some extra money online with this free software method I've shown you guys in this video right here. So that's it, guys. So be sure to take action on this method and implement this method to start seeing results. And that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.